You know, life can get pretty busy and hectic sometimes. People running around getting work done. Epson Artisan is here to help you with that. And there's several features that we've got that we think is going to make life a little bit easier for you. One is the ability to actually scan your documents and images directly to a PDF, and this is great for emailing. The other feature that it has is optical character recognition. And what this allows you to do is actually scan in text that you can edit later on. So instead of just scanning in the text as if it were some kind of an image, it actually recognizes it and then allows you to go in and change that text later. Another great business solution here is the automatic document feeder. What that is it's this little tray right here on top of the scanner bed. You can actually copy up to 30 pages at once. Couple this with a cool little gadget we call the duplexer, purchased separately. You can actually reduce that stack of 30 down to 15 by printing double-sided for that professional look and feel. Or if you want to just save half a tree. Let me show you how it works. I've got my duplexer right here. This cool little gadget connects directly to the back. First, you just remove the existing little cover there. Looks like this, and you can set that aside. And at that point, the duplexer snaps right into place. And you're ready to start printing automatically double-sided pages. Here's our graphs and reports. Let's put this into the automatic document feeder and get our two-sided printout. So now that I've got my stack of documents placed face up, with a few simple selections, I can let Artisan take over and do the rest for me. I select copy. Make sure it's color because I do have color in some of my graphs. And then I'm going to press the menu button. I go to paper and copy settings. And here where it says two-sided printing, I'm actually going to turn that on. Double checking quickly, I see that my paper size is already set to letter. On document type, I do have text, but I also have some of those graphs. So I'm going to select text and image. When it comes to the binding direction, the choices you make could be important. I'm going to select binding direction, and you'll see the list of options here. There's vertical long, vertical short. The difference between these two is it bound like a book, or is it bound like a pad? Either along the top or along the side like a book is. Just that simple. Then there's horizontal long and horizontal short. Horizontal long is going to work a lot like a calendar does to show nature photography. And while we're on the subject, a lot of photography books will also use horizontal short, which is like a regular book format that you'd open from the side, except it's stretched out a bit so that you can see the landscape photography. So if you're into that kind of thing, and really who isn't, that might be the selection for you. Standard quality is going to be just fine for this one. So I've made my selections and we're ready to rock. Pressing start will get the whole process going. And just like that, the Artisan has given me a professional two-sided presentation that has made my life simpler.
Epson. Exceed your vision.